Welcome to our video on Top Winter Wonderlands, India Edition. In this video, we will embark on a magical journey through the frost-kissed landscapes of India's most enchanting winter destinations. From the majestic palaces of Rajasthan to the serene backwaters of Kerala, from the snow-covered peaks of Himachal Pradesh to the sun-soaked beaches of Goa, and finally, the otherworldly beauty of Ladakh. Each destination is a unique winter wonderland, offering its own distinct charm and allure. So sit back, relax, and join us on this exciting journey. Let the adventure begin. First, we have the majestic Rajasthan. A land of palaces and forts, Rajasthan is steeped in history and culture. Each city in this vibrant state tells a unique story. From the pink city of Jaipur to the golden city of Jaisalmer, Rajasthan's charm lies in its rich heritage and warm hospitality. Winter is the perfect time to visit, as the weather is pleasant and ideal for sightseeing. Next, we journey to the serene backwaters of Kerala. Often referred to as God's own country, Kerala is a paradise on earth. A houseboat ride on the tranquil backwaters is a must-do winter experience. Feast your eyes on the lush greenery and enjoy the soothing rhythm of life on the water. Third on the list is the picturesque state of Himachal Pradesh. Famous for its snow-capped mountains and beautiful valleys, Himachal Pradesh offers a winter wonderland experience. From adventurous activities like skiing and snowboarding to peaceful walks in the apple orchards, there's something for everyone. Fourth, we have the enchanting Goa. Known for its beautiful beaches and vibrant nightlife, Goa is a melting pot of cultures. The winter season in Goa is filled with exciting festivals and events, making it the perfect destination for those seeking fun and frolic. Lastly, we have the mesmerizing Ladakh, a haven for adventure enthusiasts. Ladakh's rugged mountains and crystal-clear lakes offer an unmatched beauty. Winter in Ladakh is harsh, but incredibly beautiful, with the landscape turning into a snowy paradise. So, to recap, we have Rajasthan with its historical allure, Kerala's tranquil backwaters, the winter wonderland of Himachal Pradesh, Goa's vibrant beaches and festivals, and the breathtaking beauty of Ladakh. Each of these destinations offers unique experiences that are sure to make your winter vacation unforgettable. So as the winter season approaches, why not consider India for your next vacation? With its diverse landscapes and rich cultural heritage, this incredible country promises a winter holiday like no other. Happy planning!